guys, what's going on? It's Mike with Infinity Personal Training, and today is your Technique Tuesday video. Today I'm going to be switching things up a little bit. I want to be talking about recovery. Specifically, I'm just going to be talking about, it's called diaphragmatic breathing. And so it's also known as kind of belly breathing. This is a great way we can recover after our workout, or even if you're feeling stressed at work and you want to take kind of like 5 minutes and calm down, kind of reset the body, reset the mind, try this exercise out, okay? It's a great way to lower that stress level, lower your blood pressure, and kind of clear your mind. So it's really, really simple, and like I said, all it takes is about 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll get into it. So we're just gonna be, you can do this also if you're at a desk or something, you can do this sitting in your chair, but also if you're doing this like after a workout, you just be laying on the ground, and then I want you to think about putting your hands on your belly, and then just relaxing the head back. And then we're gonna breathe through our belly and not our chest. Because when we're breathing through our chest, this is where we're in that fight or flight state, that sympathetic state. We wanna get into that parasympathetic state where we are nice and relaxed and our body's able to recover. So, on this one, we're gonna have our hands on our belly. We're just gonna take a big deep breath in through our nose, trying to fill our belly up with all the air here. Then we're gonna breathe out through our belly, kind of feeling everything just relax. Think about kind of the word release as you breathe out. And then big breath out, feeling the air out of our belly just fill up and then out. And so when you're doing these breaths, think about you're kind of doing a 2 count in, so breathing in, 2, and then breathe out, a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this kind of helps you focus on that breath, and like I said, just kind of resetting the body, resetting the mind, okay? So try that out, 3 to 5 minutes, that's all it really takes, and there are tons and tons of great benefits from doing this breathing technique. All right, guys, I'll see you again on another Technique Tuesday. Take care.